We are on Kionaole. Why does that sound so weird? Kionaole. Kionaole? Okay, anyways. That's where we're at.
Yeah, it's not downloading.
Kionaole.
Coming up to Pali, and there's all the people parked on the side of the Pali by the reservoir.
Oh yeah.
Did you see the sign that was there, like electric sign?
Oh no.
Oh.
What does it say?
It must say something else, but all I saw was valuables in car.
Yeah, we were home here the other time we did that walk over there. Back to the Sons of. Yeah. Wow. Look at that view. You gotta get a picture of this, Peter. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's like I was making fun of him. So this is the road, but this road is used. See, that's what you don't want to get stuck in. Oh my gosh. Wow. What was that? Just heard something drop over there. Morning. You guys want to go there? You can also park there for $10 and then do this hike also, or walk. $10 it says. Let me show the $10. See? Public parking, $10. 8 to 4. Oh. And then here's the gate we have to go through. All right. Okay, let's go. I don't know why I'm so excited. Oh, so that's the golf course. Okay, look. Oh, look. Hey, I found a little trail here. What's this? Oh. Okay. There we go. Hello.
Did you use it to work?
I have to reinstall it, but I lost a few.
I think it's in, you gotta turn on in here. If you came out here, but actually you're supposed to go up the road, yeah?
Yeah.
From the golf course parking lot. You're supposed to go up the paved path past the chain. That takes you to the falls. I think this is another way, but I wouldn't go this way. This trail is so dark, I gotta use my Hero 8 the whole thing.
This is not through the train, two-way.
I know, it's just two-way traffic.
Yeah, it probably was.
I know. There is the Pali Highway right there. This trail is crazy. This one takes you under the Pali Highway a little bit, and then you come out right upside the highway. Yeah. There's the stairs that goes up for a bit. Huge intersection. Nobody uses it. Awesome. You can see the Pali Highway. That's the working Pali Highway right there. So you can go up or you can go down, and there's that trail over there. If you go, huh?
I remember we went this
Yeah.
way, but I thought we were
So that will take you underneath the Pali Highway, underneath those pillars, and you see graffiti. And this will take you down the road to the other side. If you see it in the TV show, it's, you know, TV shows, they have access. They have special privileges. Yeah. The top three are merged together.
It's like huge.
Yeah.
Interesting. Like it was part of the statue. Ooh, careful. Ooh, steep drop. Wow. Ooh, scary.
look at that. Hey, you can see Chinaman Sound all the way over there. Chinaman Sound, Kaneohe Bay, Auloa Mountain Range. What? They put horses here?
Hey, you ready? And I didn't say anything and she stuck me. She's like, oh, I forgot to
wait,
answer.
to wait for you to say it.
I kind of thought it was rhetorical anyway.
That's so, yeah, yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, scary if you were here when this happened.
Yeah. Careful, be careful. Oh, but where? I mean, is it that first road with the gate?
I remember.
Oh, this isn't the outer end?
I remember.
I thought you meant this is where the...
Hey, look. Whoa. Let's see where it comes out. I'm just gonna take a quick look. Pali Highway. If you turn left, that's Kamehameha Highway. This is Pali Highway, and then it ends up being Kionaole Highway later on down there. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Just from the shot, or?
Yeah, that's going there. Yeah, from the back too.
Okay, got it.
There you go.
You're saying exactly what my mind's thinking. Stop it.
I like how he asked so innocently too.
Elon Musk has that one company, Neuralink,
Oh no.
that they put transmitters into the monkey brain, and they have the monkey play Pong,
Here's the intersection
and
again.
then they record what parts of his brain are going,
Uh-huh.
and then eventually they unplug the controller for Pong.
That's so cool. So I was talking about quadriplegic. Was it what are they?
But
They can't move.
they can't, yeah.
Paraplegic.
Paraplegic.
They're paraplegics or quadriplegics. They
And how they have control over these robots. So they actually work the robots at the restaurant and interact with the customers and stuff. So it's awesome because it gives them an opportunity to work. Crazy. Can you guys imagine going up and down this before, back in the day? And look, the road's even smaller over here. Oh look, we're under the highway now. We're under the highway. There you can see. That's the Pali Highway up there. Right underneath it.
yeah.
They wouldn't have the roads before over here.
Hey, it continues over here. Ooh, oh, this is new, I think. Does that look new?
This is new. Yeah. This is 2020.
Oh, right in the middle. Oh, hi, morning.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
I don't think I need too much for
African snail. Holy moly, look at you.
that. Yeah, gross.
This is how big he is.
Yeah.
But it was right next over, I think. Go up the road a little bit further past the. This is the highway right here. Where this is the Pali Highway. And you can take this. It's a ladder you climb up. Wait. Oh, okay. Interesting artwork there. I've never seen that before. Did you go up?
Tell her to stop on that ladder when she comes down.
Okay. Wow, this is really short from what I remember.
Go it. Watch that step. This one. Don't step on that one.
Oh my God.
Skip the next one. Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. This is the Pali Highway over here. I don't want to freak anybody out coming down. Oh yeah, this is the highway. There's Cheryl down there. Alright, we're gonna go back down. We're not gonna go any further. Normally you would go up that way. There's a trail that goes up that way. And you would continue on going this path, but we're not going to go that way.
This one is the jump one.
Okay. Cheryl said this is the junk stairs.
Yeah, it's.
Oh, look at that.
It's not.
Coming apart.
Yeah. Okay. You go first.
Okay. I barely made this. Yes, being short does have its advantages. Right. Yeah, it's small like how this path is over here.
You could do it a little when you're going up.
Yeah, well that's what we're curious about too. We don't know if there's a barrier because they've done renovations and fixing up, so they must have redone the barriers too.
If it continues on.
Yeah, it depends. Yeah, this I never printed up postcards before, but I would totally do it for this thing I wanted to try. California. We're at the intersection again. Remember we went down that way and that road leads to the Pali Highway. Oh, that's all because of Cheryl looking online.
But now that we're a little more handicapped, I don't look for those.
Her walker thing is talking.
Oh, wow, that's a pretty phone. Picking Job's tears.
You know what they do with this? They make jewelry. I have earrings. Wait.
Oh, for real? Yeah, it looks like a pearl.
Yeah, it's like a bead.
Pretty good. It doesn't really taste any different to me.
Impossible. Oh, it's a. Oh,
It's pancake.
It's a Whopper, but it's a.
well, he said he tried it. You should try it then, hon.
No, but because remember we bought.
Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Good, good. How are you? Me and Cheryl, when we came here looking for the waterfall, that's the first time we came here looking for the waterfall.
And we came up this road.
We spent the whole time up here looking and we still didn't find it. We got rained on and everything. We had to come back, yeah? Or did we actually find it that day?
No, we came back several times.
Yeah, so we had to come back another day to find it. Please, Kokua. I like how they use Kokua for on the trash. Everybody thinks that trash is Kokua. Trash means to help out, and so it's basically saying Kokua, help out and throw away your trash, please. Kokua. It does not mean trash. Opala is trash. Morning. Hi. Yeah, no, that's how we have found a lot of places. Accidents. Kionaole, of course. See, over here you could park, but without getting, how are you gonna not get stuck? Yeah. If I was a tourist, I'm gonna pay the $10 to park because I don't know the area so well. I don't want to deal with the ticket, and I'm gonna, yeah. See? Omaluhia Botanical Gardens. That's the gate we were walked up to. And I got nothing against them or anything, but I'm sure there's a reason why you can't put food trucks up in certain places. Wow, that's it. We're here. All right. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video. And check us out on Twitch. And if you want to support us a little bit more, you can check us out on Patreon. And our PayPal link is right here. Also, thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Have a great day. Aloha.